We taking over. Listen.
Spread out with it. South Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, on to North Carolina, Philadelphia, Virginia. From down in Miami where it's warm in the winter, on up to Minnesota where it's storm in the winter. Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Memphis, 10, holla at me. B&H-Town, Southside, Cloverland, daddy, I'm the man out in Dallas. Better ask Cali, Catman Cali with my eyes open valley. Blowing and spinning, going down Vinny. Drop 6, 4, 3, wheel here switching. Red light stop, make it drop for the your head all with it. Anything you hear that I said, I meant it. Kane got the crown, then spit all with it. Say you need bricks, I said I
If
get
you
it.
want to, we can supply you. Got enough work to feed the whole town. They won't shoot you unless you try to. Come around and try to stop on our ground, 'cause we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over.
Black flag, we rich. Yeah,
Listen.
bounce. It's what I does. I get money every day I does that. It's how I ride. Black flag on the left too. Some ride you better move. AK I'm dead. Get shut up like Shine. That's on my head. I'm big like Diddy. I'm with it. Cali we did it. Biggie in my city. Please no fit it. Them two, the bread and get brain stupid. Money that come, run it like water. Money so hot, she Miami on fire. You better be. Might get on the porch of your fortress. Yeah, they see it, but no one reports it. I run in,
'Cause
Rick
we
Rouse,
taking
follow.
over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over.
BXTS,
Listen.
when you see crack, better duck like gotta ease past. What? I don't give. I run these streets, y'all talk that. I want that beef. I'ma tell you like a G told me. They'll come back quick if it OD. Cash rule everything around me. I'm YSL, Versace. You can see me in that Porsche GT. Coming down Sunset, sitting on D. Feeling like Pac, all eyes on me. Fresh bandana and I'm trees. Please, I spit crack every verse a key. Some say Cali, some say Khalid. 12 years down and I'm finally
If you
free.
want to, we can supply you. Got enough work to feed the whole town. They won't shoot you unless you try to. Come around and try to stop on our ground, 'cause we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over. Listen.
Birdman dad, I'm number one. Can't make me wrong, so we got him done. The family, I'ma give him some. Spent that conda, he didn't run. Sunday had a whole church singing a song. Why they had to send my baby home with some that paper long. Been a G in the game, now my son on the throne.
I am the beast. Feed me rappers or feed me beats. I'm untamed, I need a leash. I'm insane, I need a shrink. I love brain, I need a leech. Why complain on easy streets? I don't even talk, I let the visa speak. And I like my Sprite Easter pink. And my wristwatch your paw, but the mule is cooler. I have more juice than your jeweler. Touching, I will bust your medulla. That's a it is not a tumor. Red light, stop your rumors. I stay on track like a box of Pumas. I just rock with Junior. I am the little big
'Cause we
kahuna.
taking over.
One city at a time.
gonna like, totally like, own you noobs. Cause I own you, like I own you like pretty hard and stuff, right? I'm gonna give you some spanks, just like you're like Kyle, and you suck ass at all the games you try to play. Cause I own you like pretty hard and stuff, right? Nice, own you, I own you like you're like somebody's mom trying to play the games. I own you. Is that on? I don't think. I will own you sometime, maybe when we play the game. Noobs, I just like kinda wanna let you know that like I totally like own like you, and you know, you may think that like maybe one day like maybe I won't like anymore, but that's wrong. I'm always gonna own you, cause I'm the owner. It's just what I do. I own you like pretty hard stuff, right? Oh, you want some of that? You're someone's mom. Oh, you're begging for the mercy